Hey y'all, it's Deanna. I got a order from one of the Facebook Destash pages. It was Sondra's estate beads. I ordered quite a few things and she sent a free gift with it. She packed it really well. She sent a packing slip with each bag was numbered and the packing slip coordinated. You could coordinate the packing slip to the bag and see what it was and what the price was. A lot of those Destash places don't do that. And a lot of the even just the bead supply stores, some of them don't do that. Anyway, I opened it up and laid them all out so I could get them in order. These are Jasper Nuggets. And it was $3.25 for this bag of Jasper Nuggets. I like those. Those are pretty cool. Look at the stripes in that one. Excuse my fingers, but y'all know my nails are always bad. As I've said in my other videos, they're always going to be that way. These are pretty. They'll make some good focals, or just, you know, in addition to something that they coordinate with a focal. And there's 6 of them, and it was $3.25. Now I don't know if she's got this, you know, still has all this stuff or not, but open there. And this one is magnesite. She listed them as chiclet shape. They're just a little excuse my cough. They're just a little rectangle. And they were $2.75 for 8 of them. Those will make some cute earrings because they're not real heavy. So one for an earring or on a bracelet. Those would be pretty on a bracelet too. With some copper or bronze. I'm not going to put them back in there right now. Just leave them like that. Let's see. Carved agate focals. There's no drill hole. There's no actual drill hole in them. But the way they're carved, there's plenty of places you can fit wire or even thin leather through. And it was $3 for both of them. Those are pretty. But see, you can get, you know, wire through those. And they're light enough you can do a pair of earrings, or you could do a bracelet. Excuse me, a bracelet and a matching necklace. They even, maybe if they were spread far enough out, we'll go with that. They were $3 for 2 of those. And let's see, we've got, these are vintage from West Germany. They're black resin with white detail in the swirls. She said they came from a famous New York City collector of fine beading supplies. She gives you a good description on all of these. Where, you know, what they are and what they look like and where they came from. They were $3.25. They are resin. 15 of them for $3.25. I thought these were cute. I haven't seen anything like those in anywhere. I think those are pretty. Excuse me. I'm sorry, y'all. I have asthma and it makes me cough, and there's not much I can do about it. It just happens. Let's see. Then I got some African trade glass beads. I love these, and those beads are so expensive. Uh-oh, my cat's in here trying to get on the table. Oliver, go lay down on your blanket. Anyway, they're yellow and red stripes. It was $2.75 for this handful. $25 or $26 of them, something like that. I really thought those were cute. I keep trying to put them in the bag, and then I remember I don't want to do that because it'll make it. Y'all don't want to watch me rebag them, do you? It takes too long. Let's see what this one is. The green Aventurine. I ordered 2 of these. They were $1.75 a piece. Just green Aventurine. She doesn't have a description of where they came from or anything like that, but they were $1.75 a piece. I thought those were pretty. And she said these were custom made for a high-end designer that she bought out last fall. The designer is the one who designed the bead caps with polymer clay, then sent them to be manufactured and get them plated. Or 10 for $1. And I guess the manufacturer, there's a name here, it's Sean B. I guess that's the designer who created this design and then had it manufactured and plated. Now, I knew a lot of people aren't going to have those. Those are different. And these are corrugated metal. I ordered 2 of these also. They're big, they're round, and they're very lightweight. Oh look, somebody just took a piece of corrugated metal, cut it, and made it into a round shape. It's pretty cool. The seam on this one's more visible than it is on this one, but they're still cool, and they're not heavy at all. They'd make good earrings. You'd think they'd be heavy, but they're not. And she said those corrugated beads are vintage. Now what's next? This one. Raw brass stamping, intricate stamping, filigree. Let's get it out of here. That's pretty, and it's got loops you can connect it. And that one was $2.75. I thought that was rather pretty. And these brass drops, 3D brass drops, vintage, embossed, were $3 for this set. These remind me of I Dream of Jeannie. That tells you how old I am. Those are cute though. Make some cute earrings. Resin beads. These are just pressed resin beads. They were $1 for for 8 of them. They're cool. They look like they're carved. She had a lot of good, interesting stuff. Gemstones Nugget. It was $3.25 for the strand. I don't have a clue as to what it is. If anybody knows, I'd appreciate it. They are gemstones because they're very cold. Very cold. But they're pretty. It's hard to tell. There's some, look at the striations. Striations in that one. I don't know how well y'all can see that, but they are pretty. I love how gemstones they're all just so different. And let's see, I'm not going to pour all of these out because they're tiny. They are Preciosa Platinum Crystal Bicones. This platinum color. I know it's hard to see, but see if I can get it open and get a couple out into my hand and not spill them everywhere. I don't have this color. I want them because they were gray. There we go. That's a platinum per Preciosa. And those were $2. They were a bit expensive for this tiny bag. Because it is a little bag. If you know anything about Dollar Tree and their little pink clips they sell, that's how big the bag is. But I didn't have that color. I haven't seen gray. And now we'll go to the last page. These are Peach Aventurine, which I had never heard of. They're rondelles, faceted. It was $3 for them. And I thought that was a little expensive, but they were pretty. I thought they were pretty. I didn't even know Aventurine came in peach. I thought it was just green. Oh, look, I'm trying to put them up. And these are hand-carved large red horn beads. They were $2.50. Put those in a different bag because it's too hard to get them out. Carved large red horn. Hand carved. They're not heavy. They're pretty. And it was $2.50 for the both of them. And this donut is a magnesite donut. And it was $2.75. And I don't generally pay, I mean, more than a couple of dollars for a focal. I don't like to, but I like to order, you know, find them. I'm cheap. Call me cheap, broke, whatever you want to call it. But those are that was pretty. Trying to put it up. The last thing that I bought is vintage brass pendant. It's very lightweight, but it's a bird. Looks like it needs a little cleaning up. And it was $1.75. I thought that little bird was cute. And then I'll show you what she sent as freebies. She sent a bag. These, let's see. Excuse me. I think these are glass. Not sure, but I don't know what they are. They may, I don't know. If they're not glass, I don't know what they are. Hang on 1 minute. Oliver! Hi. Oliver. My cat is being nosy with a stack full of orders I haven't opened. I want to open in video. And he's over there trying to be nosy. Like cats do. If I remember, I'll put a picture of him on at the end of this video. Then she sent this little strand of, they're not Bicones. They're not the right shape. Would you call that drop? Because it's not really round, but it's kind of close. Anyway, those are pretty. Pretty, pretty. And then these look like lampwork. Or milfering. Or lamp. I'm not that good at determining what beads are what. But those are cute. Ooh, whoop, sorry. Okay. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching, and if I remember, I'll put a picture of my crazy cat at the end of the video. His bad little self over there. Y'all have a good one. Bye. Ollie. Hey, Ollie. What you doing? Are you a pretty boy?